Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see about how to create a command line interface by using a Python script. So let's get started. So first I will show you the output of our script. So this is how it's gonna be. We have to run our script like Python space file name dot extension file. So if I click enter, it will ask to choose our environment like this, work or entertainment. So if I choose any one of this, so this will open respective thing like if I choose a work, I'll just put enter. It will just open the Trello for me in Chrome, and as well as it's opened a VS Code for me. So for work, this is how it works. And if I rerun this, if I choose a entertainment, first I will just close this thing. So if I choose the entertainment section, so it will open my entertainment folder, movies folder, and as well as the YouTube in Chrome. So this is how it's gonna be, and let's code now. So first we'll be using this inquirer package. So the use of this package is like we can like interact with the end user, like asking questions and providing a feedback and showing the validation errors, and that that type of process we can do with this package. And then we'll be using another one called OS for getting our path in our machine, local machine, and we'll be importing another one called sub process. So by using this process, we'll be invoking all our exes and openings or respective folders in our local machine. And finally, we'll be using a pprint for printing the statements in the command prompt. And then I will be declaring a variable called chances, and inside this we'll be calling a inquirer dot list. So our options will be in a list, so that's why we will be calling a list here. And the first parameter is an name of the our key, and then next we'll be showing a message here. So inside the message we'll be showing some string called choose and environment. And after that we'll be giving our choices to our end user. It will be in list. We'll give first one as work, and then second one is entertainment. Yes. So after this, we'll be storing the end user answer here. We'll be declaring a variable called answers by using the inquirer dot. There will be a function called prompt. So you say we'll be passing our choices here. So this will be getting the end user choose the answer here. Will be stored here, and now we'll put a condition here like if answers of A and B equal work means, so this will be executed here, and we'll be also putting a else here. So if the end user choose the work environment, And now by using a sub process, there's a function called call. So this will be calling those process inside our machine. So this is a list. So the first parameter is we have to give a path to it. So for path we'll be accessing with the OS package path dot join, and our VS code exe file is inside the programming file. So for that we have to give a path to exact path to it. Programming files, and inside it Microsoft VS Code, and there will be a exe file called code.exe. So this is a path to our exe file of our VS Code. So then, so this one will be called here, and after that, I will just copy this, paste it here. So now we'll be calling out Chrome here. So for the Chrome is inside program files x86, inside that Google folder, and inside Chrome, and inside that application, so yeah, inside the application there will be called Chrome.exe. So this is the path for our Google Chrome exe in our machine, and this will be opening our Google Chrome. And if we want to open like a specific URL means, you can also put it here. Like for we will be calling it Trello. Trello.com. Just put it here. So I think the work part is over. I will just copy this, put it in else, and for entertainment we have to open a specific folder in our machine, and this one is Chrome only, and we have to change the URL here like youtube.com. So now we have to change the path here, and I'll just remove this. And here, yeah. So here we'll be calling our file explorer by using a check call. So inside this we'll be passing a string called explorer, and following that we have to give a path to the our folder that we want to open it. Just giving a movies. So yeah. So we have finished our script. We'll just run it and see how it works. We'll just run Python CLI .py. Oops. Impedance no prompt attribute called prompt. I think I misspelled, I think, yes. Yes. Yeah, OMPT. So just save it again. I will run this. So it will asking to choose to environment here. So if I choose work, oops, gram files. Oh, I have put the programming files. It's a program files. So I just save it and I just run the code. So if I choose work here, see it's opening the Chrome as well as the VS Code, and I will just call this again. I'll choose entertainment now. So it's opening our entertainment movies folder as well as the YouTube here. So this is how our script works in command line interface to process specific talk in our local machine. So that's all for the today's video. We'll see you in next video.